Good afternoon, everybody. Jeudi à moi content en pile. Today I'm very happy to get to be here with you for another lesson. I hope that you already have your notebook and your pen to get some notes. And today we will be talking about the 7 days of the week. Gagner 7 jours dans une semaine. And you repeat that with me. Gagner 7 jours dans une semaine. That means there are 7 days in a week. Gagner means there is for singular and there are for plural. When I say gagner, that means there are or there is. Gagner 7 jours, jour means day. Gagner 7 jours, gagner 7 jours, there are 7 days. Nan in yon semaine, in a week. So week means semaine in Creole. Semaine means week. Gagner 7 jours nan yon semaine. So yon means a or an, like one. Gagner 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est the 7 days of the week are 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est the 7 days of the week are repeat after me 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est that means the 7 days of the week are dimanche repeat after me dimanche that means Sunday lundi that means Monday mardi that means Tuesday mercredi that means Wednesday jeudi that means Thursday vendredi that means Friday samedi that means Saturday 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est repeat after me 7 jours dans semaine nan c'est lundi mardi mercredi jeudi vendredi samedi once more dimanche that's the first day dimanche for Sunday dimanche lundi mardi mercredi jeudi vendredi and samedi. So now we're going to ask some questions with when you want to ask what day is today, what day was yesterday, and what day tomorrow will be. Okay, what day is today? How do you say that in Creole? What day is today? And if you want to say what day was yesterday, and if you want to know what day will tomorrow be, you are going to ask these questions. So there are 2 ways of saying what day is today in Creole. Let's learn them. Qui joue jeudi a ye? Repeat after me. Qui joue, like what day? Qui joue, what day? Qui joue jeudi a? So jeudi a means today. Qui joue jeudi a ye? What day is today? Repeat after me. Qui joue jeudi a ye? What day is today? The second way to say this is Jodi a qui joue? There are two ways to say what day is today. The first one, let's go. Jodi a qui joue? Repeat after me. Jodi a qui joue? Jodi a qui joue? Jodi a qui joue? And the second, qui joue jodi a ye? You can say qui joue jodi a ye or jodi a qui joue. They all mean the same thing. And if somebody asks you what day is today, qui joue jodi a ye? Jodi a qui joue in Creole, there are three ways of answering that person. The first way to say that is jodi a plus the day. Jodi a dimanche. Today is Sunday. Jodi a lundi. Today is Monday. Jodi a mardi. Today is Tuesday. Jeudi a mercredi. Today is Wednesday. Jeudi a jeudi. Today is Thursday. Jeudi a vendredi. Today is Friday. And the second way is jeudi a c'est. Jeudi a c'est dimanche. Today is Sunday. Jeudi a c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Jeudi a c'est mardi. Today is Tuesday, etc. And the third way of saying today is jeudi, just jeudi. Jeudi dimanche. Jeudi dimanche. Today is Sunday. Jeudi lundi. Today is Monday. Okay? So three ways to say today is. The first way is jeudi a plus the day. And the second way is jeudi a c'est plus the day. And the third way is jeudi plus the day. Let's go again. Jeudi a plus the day. Jeudi a c'est plus the day. Jeudi plus the day. Jeudi a lundi. Today is Monday. Jeudi a c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Jeudi lundi. Today is Monday. So it doesn't matter what you use. You could say, any of them. You could say jeudi a c'est, or jeudi plus the day. Hope you get this. And if you want to ask a person what day yesterday was, what day was yesterday? What day was just yesterday? So you could say qui joue hier? So hier means yesterday. Jeudi a means today. Demain means tomorrow. Repeat after me. Hier, that means yesterday. Jeudi a, that means today. Demain, that means tomorrow. Qui joue hier, that means what day was yesterday. Repeat after me. There are two ways to ask a person what day yesterday was in Creole. The first one is qui joue hier? Qui joue hier? Qui joue hier? That's the first one. And the second one is y'a des qui joue. Y'a des qui joue. Y'a des qui joue. Two ways. Qui joue hier or y'a des qui joue. They both mean what day was yesterday. And if you want to answer, you can say y'a plus the day. Y'a dimanche. Yesterday was Sunday. Y'a lundi. Yesterday was Monday. Y'a mardi. Yesterday was Tuesday. And if you want to ask a person, okay, what day will tomorrow be? What day will tomorrow be? And you can say demain qui joue. Demain qui joue. Demain qui joue. Demain qui joue. And yet there are two ways to ask this question in Creole as well as what day is today, what day was yesterday. So we gave several ways to ask this question in Creole, and now if you want to ask a person what day will tomorrow be, you can also, there are two ways of asking this question. You can say demain qui joue, demain qui joue, or qui joue demain à pied, demain qui joue demain à pied, demain qui joue, or qui joue demain à pied. Repeat after me. Demain qui joue, demain qui joue, demain qui joue demain à pied. They both mean what day will tomorrow be. If you want to answer, you can say demain plus the day. Demain dimanche. Tomorrow is Sunday. Demain lundi. Tomorrow is Monday. Demain mardi. Tomorrow is Tuesday, etc. And you can say, secondly, demain ap. If you don't want to say demain plus the day, you can say demain ap plus the day. Okay? So they mean tomorrow will be. Demain lundi or demain ap lundi. They both mean tomorrow will be plus the day. Okay? So we are going to use the days of the week in some sentences. For example, if you want to say goodbye, and you want to say, okay, see you on Monday, see you Tuesday, see you Wednesday, see you Saturday, see you Sunday, etc. In Creole, you are going to learn them. Okay? To say goodbye, there are two ways. To say goodbye. You can say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, or au revoir. Repeat after me. Bye bye, au revoir. Bye bye tout le monde. Au revoir tout le monde. Goodbye everybody. Nawe, that means see you. We will see each other. See you, that means nawe, okay? Nawe, nawe, see you. Bye bye. Au revoir. Nawe, see you. Nawe pita. Nawe pita. See you later. Nawe tale. Nawe tale. See you later. Nawe tale. Nawe pita. See you later. They both mean see you later. Nawe pita or nawe tale, they mean see you later. If I want to say see you Saturday or see you Sunday, see you Monday, see you Tuesday, see you Wednesday, see you Thursday, see you Friday, etc., you could say nawe plus the day. Nawe pita, see you later. Nawe tale, see you later. Nawe dimanche, see you Sunday. Nawe lundi, see you Monday. Nawe mardi, see you Tuesday. Nawe mercredi, see you Wednesday. To recap, there are 7 days in a week. Gagner 7 jours dans une semaine. 7 jours dans une semaine, c'est the 7 days of the week are dimanche, Sunday, lundi, Monday, mardi, Tuesday, mercredi, Wednesday, jeudi, Thursday, vendredi, Friday, samedi, Saturday. Qui joue jeudi à y? Jeudi à qui joue? These two mean what day is today. Jeudi à lundi. Jeudi à c'est lundi. Jeudi, lundi. 3 ways of saying today is. Qui joue yete? Yete qui joue? What day was yesterday? Yete lundi. Yete mardi. Yete mercredi, etc. Qui joue demain à pied? Demain qui joue? What day will tomorrow be? Demain dimanche. Demain ap dimanche. That means tomorrow will be Sunday. And I hope that you enjoy this lesson. And we were very happy to be here with you to teach you Haitian Creole. And now we are about to go. We have to go to prepare for more videos. We have to prepare for more videos for you. Okay? So I hope you enjoy this video, you enjoy this lesson. And of course, bye-bye, au revoir. I love you so much. And this is Johnsley.